Oil goes in there and it's oily. Yeah. So then you let it cool down and after that you wrap it for the second step. And the last step you get the roll and we fry. Yeah, you know the Vietnamese one, the fresh one. Yeah, Thai people we call nem. Yeah, the wrapper that they're using the rice wrapper. Yes, and so you see the pad Thai noodle. That's one we call the dry rice noodle, the small one. And we also have the big one, is that big. Yeah, that's also rice noodle, but very oily and very thick. Fresh spring roll, sometimes you can put lots of veggies like here, but it's raw. Yes, and then put everything in there and roll it. And they dip with the tamarind sauce. Yeah, that's the Vietnamese one. And sometimes like in your country, you see the round one. Yeah, that's a packet, but very crunchy. This means you have to leave in the water first, and then take it up, and then roll it. Yeah, we have like two kinds. But today we are not using the rice one because the one is very thin. When you fry into the oil, it's getting thinner and it will burn. And then all the filling comes out. So then we use the frozen spring roll pastry. The frozen one, the wrapper, the ingredients in there, okay, is made from wheat flour. Nobody have allergic to wheat, no?
No,
Not yet.
not yet. No.
Wheat flour, palm oil, salt, and water. Yes, different from the rice wrapper. So then, who wanna be a volunteer?